subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Oppo sub-brand Realme has launched its new mid-range 5G smartphone in China called Realme V15 with a unique design pattern, and it is the successor of the earlier launched Realme V5 smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Realme V15 supports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 180Hz touch sampling rate and a tall 90.8% skin-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset paired with Mali G57 MC3 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the Realme V15 features a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 119° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports Ultra Image Stabilization Max for anti-shake video recording. At the front, it has an 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Ultra Image Stabilization support. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 10 with Realme UI skin on top. The device comes backed by 4310 mAh battery that supports 50 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.9 by 74.4 by 8.1 millimeters and it weighs around 176 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme V15 has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1499 Chinese yuan, but it will be available at a discount price of 1399 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Koi, Mirror Lake Blue and Crescent Silver color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from January 14th. So, what do you guys think of this Realme V15 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.